I'm Mic Julien from Tyalgum, and I've been nominated for Citizen of the Year award. I like doing community work, I always have. You know, community groups always need people, particularly if you're prepared to actually do some work, chase the ideas up and, you know, chase grant money and things like that. These sort of groups are volunteer groups. So I'm involved with the Tyalgum District Community Association and the gardening group Scratches. I'm involved with the Rural Fire Brigade, and I'm involved with the, as a Crown Land manager that manages the Crown lands around Tyalgum, including the campground and the oval. That campground management is the busy one at the moment. It's getting more and more busy and more popular, and we're just trying to improve that amenity. Well, recently, since the floods, they've started forming community resilience teams, and I'm the leader of that resilience team for Tyalgum. Yeah, we've set up a community network system using UHF radios, so that if we get cut off by floods, which we do every year, we can access community services when we need them in critical times. When I came here and I joined the community association, and the council was shutting a tip. There was a refuge tip here, and as part of shutting the tip, it cost a certain amount of money to run that tip. They gave us 3 years worth of money that it cost them to do some things for the community. So we set up a committee. I led it, and we did a lot of community consultation, asked people what they wanted. Through consultation and discussion with council, we narrowed it down to a bunch of things, which included upgrading the park, tennis court, making one tennis court into a skate park. Yeah, well, I joined the fire brigade. Probably the first thing I joined when I came here. It's a very small brigade. I think there's about 15 members, and I just thought it would be a good thing to do. We're the first responders to emergencies out here. There's no SES here or police. I encourage everybody to get involved in the community. Anybody who's thinking about it, just go ahead and do it.